Your destination is on the right.
On our way to go fishing today. Thanks to Brandon and Kale. Tristan didn't do nothing. Rockfish skins. Yeah, he's down here on the left. Nah.
6 feet.
Ooh, wow, that's... He's right there. Right here. Yeah.
How y'all doing?
Pretty good.
Very wet and slow.
Fish hit so fast I couldn't get it, so we'll get the next one. Well, I got it, I couldn't video it. Alex is nervous, so he said he gotta go to the bathroom. Here he comes.
No bananas.
Yeah.
Russia or something? The fish aren't big. The ones we did before, they could. They're in the cooler. Hold it up, Pop. You gotta hold it up. Hold it up. Roll it. You gotta roll it out. Yeah, like that. Yeah, two. Just listen to get it. Brand go get it. Kristen Brandon hooked up.
Only got 5, 18, very bad. Got one over here.
Keep the boy.
Pretty good fishing so far. Oh.
Is it too small?
We'll make a little turn. This must be 3-2. Starting to feel like fall. that way back out. Finger broke off of it, and it might just get in the way. Almost there.
She fishing like she bass fishing. Crystal, she just comes. Once you try it, it's not gonna pull you over.
Y'all look like a bikini.
Fish on here, gang.
Is it recording?
Fish on the center one here, sir. That one's pulled pretty good. Fish on that other one next to it. Popped off, I don't know.
Something on that one. First one? No?
Oh, that thing felt pretty strong.
Man.
Oh, you saw the thing?
I can barely do mine and my arms are shaking.
They don't hurt my arms, it's killing my legs.
Oh, it's hurt right here, man.
You said you can wear the
I know, but it's uncomfortable. I wore it when I had when we were reeling in the real big one. Huh? What'd you say?
So I just got a big one, but the sunflower is cool. Alex here lose his, he ain't reeling. You gotta keep reeling.
No, not now. At the end. Huh? Yeah. Wow. That's a big one.
Nice fish.
Holy crap.
Seen many of those here.
You reel that in? Holy crap.
Now you got it right where you want it.
Chrissy, you got it? No, I'm gonna hold it.
Here, hold the pole up for her, Kayla.
Oh.
This is first time reeling in the fish. This one? Yeah. Need help?
Yeah, I don't want it to fall.
Oh,
Oh, is it still on?
Yes.
a big one. This is a big one. Here.
Or you reel it in. There's no way I can reel it then. There's no way I'd be able to reel that in.
Run the camera upside down.
Oh, that's embarrassing. You good?
Yeah.
You were.
I thought it was big.
Oh. Here, we'll go back here. Oh. She got a big one? Huh? One of them's fat. You see that fat one? Look how fat it is. Shoot, that's true. Oh, okay. Oh, whoa.
Let me know when you can ride it. Oh, no worries, dude. No worries. I was just going to say, how old are you now? That's why I was over there.
Shoot, this is what it was like on that one, but 24/7. You remember that? It might have been worse than this.
It was.
You know, you could have gotten trouble that day.
Yeah, Guys, we got another one in front of this other place. One over here, too.
You push a button?
Yeah, I don't know if it's easy. Is that recording? Well, my kids. I can't find it no more. You have to call her a loser too. I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry. I just didn't like it no more.
Hey, I'm not gonna call her a loser. I'm gonna call her a Alex. Man.
That's a hammer there. Walk back. Here's my other net.
Got a big one.
Freedom fish is unreal.
Nice. You have $5?